we're gonna be replacing the brake lines, but also look what I got in. I got my balancers in, so I'll be doing that sometime too. First thing I'm gonna be doing is raising this trailer up, putting it on some jack stands. I got my tubing right here to replace the lines. Got the fittings, and somewhere in here is a deal to make the ferrules, or to do the flares, I mean. And so I want to do the brake lines first, and then we will get to the balancers, and hopefully get this done today, but we'll see. It's kind of cold in here. You can see my breath. Let's get started. This was a lot of work. Got pretty sketchy there. I should have just brought the telehandler in here and lifted it up, but that shouldn't be too bad, but that was kind of sketchy. So now what we're gonna do, if you look down over here where the brake line comes through, I'm gonna actually cut a bigger opening here, kind of more like an access point. Have a better way of fastening this down so there's not as much movement, and I'll make a thing to protect it. So the forks, if the forks aren't in the right spot, I don't damage the brake line. We'll get started on this part here first. So one thing here, when this trailer was built, they just torched a spot in here. It's fine, but I want to make things look a little neater, a little nicer. So we're gonna cut it out at least fairly square. We're gonna cut about a 3-inch. Sorry, oops, wrong slab. We're going to cut out about a couple inches port here. See if we can get this fitting off. It's pretty rusted. Doesn't look like it wants to, so what I think we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this line right here. I might have to bring the now I can get a socket on it. Oh, that burned. Brake fluid in my eye, that's not good. Oh well, let's go. So it's up there. Okay, so let's get this out of its wrapping. And let's kind of unroll some of it. Come in here, probably kind of come down. The problem is you do not want to be on top of this axle because these will bottom out. Sometimes you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I got a wear spot right there, or drop on this side and come through the front. Fitting on. Okay. No, turn the bottom.
Here, you think I should be doing that? No. I know what I'm doing. I need to.
Okay, so we'll see what that looks like there. I don't do this very often, so I'm not sure if that's right, but it looks pretty good there. It might be a little bit much, but I think it'll be okay. So now we gotta try to put some bends in this thing.
Not so close.
We don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you be careful, you're gonna fall down and saw yourself. Don't forget to put these on. If you don't, you'll have to cut it off and try to do it again.
I said,
Mom, he'll be in trouble.
Maybe even orange or sleek too.
Probably. That boy. What we do, we're gonna put the end on here. That way we don't gotta try to fight it. See how the end looks? And watch how it's done. It flares you, it's called. See how it looks now? It needs to look that way because it goes over, so this thing will push it up against a piece, and then the other piece will go in there and we'll make it seal. Roll this. Get straight with it. Eyeball. Enjoy the poke in the eye. Make you feel like a real person. And then how are you gonna buy anything else for it? If you'd spend all that money. Yeah, but if you spend $1,200 for it, it's always easy. Pick it up over that. And push it through. Alright, pull it back. Pull back. Uh-oh, too far. Hey, put it up. Push it. Hold on, just wait. Okay, push it slow, 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 slow. Slow, slow, slow. Alright, hang on. There we go. fish slapper.